Engine block secured. Proceeding to CNC Bay 3.
Acknowledged. All stations clear.
The readings here are slightly elevated. Let me check the specifications.
Verify the
It
surface
seems within
consistency
tolerance.
at
Good to
coordinate
proceed.
47B.
Acknowledged. Running secondary diagnostics on the current block.
The robotic crane precisely maneuvers the lightweight yet incredibly strong aluminum block onto the main assembly line.
Here in the heart of the facility, raw aluminum is transformed with surgical precision, guided by our skilled technicians. At over 1200 degrees, the molten aluminum is precisely cast, forming the foundation of our next-generation engine. The thermal readout on mold 4 is still fluctuating.
Let's adjust the coolant flow rate and monitor the steam release.
Engine block secured. Proceeding to CNC Bay 3.
Acknowledged. All stations clear.
This state-of-the-art facility utilizes laser-guided precision to craft the heart of our new V12 Supercar engine. In this state-of-the-art facility, precision is paramount. Our advanced CNC machines carve the heart.
The laser scan on Block 12 shows a microfracture.
Acknowledged. Reroute for secondary inspection.
The bore alignment on chamber 3 is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal.
The ultrasonic bath ensures molecular-level cleanliness, crucial for our high-performance engines. Utilizing advanced robotics, the factory achieves unparalleled precision, crafting the next generation of supercar engines. Here in the heart of the facility, the colossal press forges the crankshaft from a superheated billet, a process critical to the engine's performance. The precision grinding of the crankshaft is critical, utilizing advanced robotics to ensure a flawless finish for the engine. The precision engineering here is unmatched. Every piston is cooled and inspected before moving to assembly.
see how the arm compensates for the micro vibration here?
Yes, the adjustment sequence is perfect now.
We have an alert on the cooling system.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics now. Alignment is confirmed. The tolerances are well within parameters.
Check the tolerances on cylinder 7.
Thermal scan is nominal. Looks good.
The tolerances on this batch look good.
Confirmed. Ready for the next stage.
We have clearance for the initial spin cycle. Monitor the harmonics closely.
Acknowledged. Data stream looks stable.
Pressure and temperature holding steady. Go for ignition.
Ignition sequence started. We have engine stabilization.
The calibration software meticulously fine-tunes the engine parameters, ensuring peak performance before final assembly.
The dyno test ensures optimal performance under extreme conditions, validating the precision of our robotic assembly.
The precision of these robotic arms allows for tolerances previously thought impossible in automotive design. The readings here indicate a perfect calibration on the x-axis.
Agreed. The structural integrity is flawless. The readings here are slightly elevated. Let me check the specifications. It seems within tolerance. Good to proceed.
This new assembly line has increased efficiency by nearly 40%.
And the precision cameras have drastically reduced error rates.
The torque specifications on cylinder 7 are still reading high.
We can adjust the robotic calibration from this panel.
The synchronization on the new line is incredible.
It's running at full capacity already.
Look at the torque on that final bolt sequence.
Welcome to the future of engine manufacturing. Here, precision robotics work in harmony with our engineers to
ensure the torque specifications on Unit 7 are precise. Confirmed. The readings are within tolerance.
This facility represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, where precision robotics meet human ingenuity.